Actually, the thing is, we have already been embarrassed in front of people once. It wasn't right on your part to go out on the day of a ritual without informing anyone.
Seriously, Sid? I can't believe you're saying all this to me. You had also married Mithai and left her alone. Brother Sid! Brother Sid, where
Siddharth!
are you going? Brother Sid,
Siddharth!
stop!
Siddharth, where are you?
You didn't return all night. I had at least informed my brother that I was going out of Kolkata for some work. I even returned. Right?
Look, Ratul, don't compare your situation with mine, please. Look, everyone here knows that I don't believe in this concept of marriage. Yet, because of Grandpa, I had performed the wedding rituals, Ratul. And an emergency had come up that night. I had to go and I couldn't come back, that's it. But it doesn't mean that I landed everyone in danger intentionally. No, that wasn't my intention, nor will it ever be. And you all have argued with me on this before. You have told me that you believe in the concept of marriage. You consider this institution pure and sacred. Then, how could you leave your wife alone on the day of such an important ritual? Ratul, tell me, please.
What happened? Why are you quiet? He has asked you this question as Sri's brother, and you have to answer him.
No, brother. I'm really sorry. The one who doesn't believe in marriage can't question me why I was not present during the rituals. And why don't you understand this? I could not sit silently thinking of what Nipa had done. It was important for me to know why Nipa did this and why she ran away. And Nipa also wanted to share it. That scoundrel Aditya Agrawal had trapped her. Nipa didn't realize what she was doing and what will be the consequences. She just couldn't understand it. Still, I I apologize to all of you. If I have hurt you in any way, I'm really, really sorry. I'm really sorry.
Can I ask you a question? Nipa is angry with me, isn't she? I'm aware she misunderstood me. She didn't even talk to me when she came back.
Shri, you have made so many sacrifices for her. Let it be. Forget about her. She ruined all the relationships. It can't be called just immaturity, right? Sandy, Nipa needs everyone's support right now. If we ignore her in this situation, she will never be able to get over this trauma. Sandy, please try and understand after that incident, Nipa was shattered.
Can I say something? I think we should call Nipa downstairs, okay? We will sing and dance together and have lots of fun. What do you say? Sister Nanda, listen, let's go and call Sister Nipa. The family will be very happy again. Let's go and call Sister Nipa. Come on, let's call Nipa. Come on. Come on.
Look, Nipa, I follow your social media account. Your followers can increase if you sport a different style. You remember your friend Pooja, who had sent you a few photos from Maldives? What difference will you have with her? Won't your followers reduce? She has some photos in some good location, but you won't have any of it.
You know, I wanted to post an update from a huge mall in a foreign country. #dream life.
That is why I'm asking you. Come with us to London. Nipa, you are about to live your dream life. Look, after marriage, there is no possibility. So at least before your marriage, live your dream life at once.
Please take me back home.
This is very strange. Nipa, you don't understand. Look, the flight has been cancelled, right? Just think, Nipa. Just a few more hours. After a few hours, you'll be able to embark into your hashtag dream life, right? So chill, let's enjoy the evening.
Adi, you rascal! Hands up! Adi, I'll kill you today. How could you do this to my sister? Huh? How could you do this, Adi? How could you?
Sister Nipa? Sister Nipa, why are you standing here like this? We have to start the function downstairs. Want you to take selfies today? Sister Nipa, come downstairs with us, please. Look, if you stay aloof, you won't feel better. Even we won't feel good. Let's go, please, Sister Nipa. Let's go. Let's go, please. Sister Nanda, what's wrong with you?
Mithai, tell her to go downstairs and apologize to everyone instead of standing here and crying. Everyone was troubled because of her. Especially Shri. To save the reputation of the two families, she had to take a big decision of her life. And she is responsible for all this. She will have to understand this now. Mithai,
Yes.
Mithai, please let me be. Look, if I go downstairs now, everyone will scold me a lot.
Scolding. Bear it a little. Can anyone scold you so much? The angry boy of this family won't scold you. I am sure he has already said whatever he wanted to say. If you're distant like this, neither you nor we will feel better. You will feel better downstairs. Let's go, please.
And Shri, what will I say to Shri, Mithai?
What will you say? You won't say anything. You don't need to say anything. We will say whatever needs to be said. Okay? You just be a friend with her. Now let's go. Let's go. Nipa, come on. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Look, the angry boy of your family has also come downstairs with his instrument to cheer you up. Just to make you smile, okay?
Hey, Mithai, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. You've already broken one guitar. If you touch anything again, I'll kill you, I'm telling you. Disgusting. Hey, Rajiv, how do you tolerate these silly acts? Please tell me.
Sister Shrey, listen. Tell your family's angry boy that I didn't break his instrument, okay? He always accuses me for no reason. I can sing and dance. I don't need any instruments, okay? I wanted to play it today. That's why I was going to take it. Fine, I don't need your instrument. Sister Nanda, we can sing well without any musical instruments, right? What do you say? Aunt has taught me all the beautiful songs. Sister Nanda, why don't you only start?
Oh, good Lord. We are feeling better after singing those songs, right? Grandfather, we should all thank you for organizing such a nice function on Tagore's birthday. No, we enjoy this day every year, but this time the function is like oxygen for us. Dear friends, the sad and dull night of the past year has just passed. Come on, now let's have a new beginning. Come on, join hands. Is everyone ready?
Ready.
Yes.
Ready.
Ready. Come on, all of you, join hands.
Brother Sid, come on. Brother Sid, you have to join hands with us today.
Sorry, Sandy. I can't be a part of your childish acts, please.
Sandeep, we won't listen to any excuses that Siddharth gives. Hold his hand and place it on our hands.
That's it. Grandpa has said it, so you have to come. Come. Come on, come on. Excuse me. Come on, come here.
Lord, what's happening to me? Why is my heart racing? It's so strange. When his hand touches mine, something happens to me. Oof, it's irritating. Sister Nipa, come on. You also join hands.
Shri, you also come? Ratul? Ratul, why are you sitting there? Come. Come on.